Right. Okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. Hope you guys can hear me properly. I'm audible to you. That's right. Okay. Only few people here today. I think because of the examination. I think yes, you guys are having exam. Am I correct? Right. So, but we need to continue the things. You know, I have sent. I have covered up to the uh, dual impact of transactions, and this last Thursday I couldn't do it actually, so I never cancel my class, but it was the distance, right? So I had a wedding nearly around like it's far from Colombo. It's a corner in Gampaha. So I thought of come around like 4 p.m. හරියටම 4ට දැන්ට එන්න මම plan කරා. පස්සේ ඒ වෙඩින් එක තිබ්බේ මගේ යාළුවෙක්ගේ යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ මාත් එක්ක එකට announcing කරපු. ඉතින් in my batch I was the announcer, so මාත් එක්ක announce කරපු එක. එතකොට නොයාම බෑ, මම සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කැමති නෑ ක්ලාස් තියෙන දවස්වල යන්න. anyhow I had to go. ඉතින් ගිහිල්ලා මම මේ එතනින් 2:00ට එන්න කියලා තමයි මම පික්මි එකක් දාගෙන හරි එනවා කියලා හිතාගෙන ගියේ. පස්සේ යද්දිත් 12 විතර වුණා. ඒකට හේතුව එක පටන් ගත්ත 11 කැතලික් වල කෙනෙක්. ඒතකොට චර්ච් ෆන්ක්ෂන් එක ඉවර වෙලා ඔය ලන්ච් බුෆේ ඔක්ක ඕපන් කරේ 2:00ට විතර. ඒතර කාලා ඔක්කොම කරලා ලෑස්ති වෙද්දි 3යි. මම ඒ නිසා ඒ කන ගමන් මම මේකක් දාලා බැලුවා. එතකොට ටයිම් එක මට පෙන්නුවා 4:30 වගේ වෙනවා කියලා එන්න. ඉතින් ඊට පස්සේ I thought of මේක එන්නත් ඕනේ ආයෙන්නත් ඕනේ. මම යද්දිත් 5 විතර වෙයි. පැය කරන්න වෙන්නේ. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Right? So because of that, I thought of canceling the class. Anyhow, මොකද මම cancel කරන්න කැමති උනේම නැහැ. මොකද term test තියෙන නිසා. But nothing to do. But I was happy because I did a class around Friday. Correct? Right? So I did an additional class as well. So anyhow, I'll cover it out because I never cancel a class. So I want to cover it out. I'll can tell you, right? So hope you're there, Gagan, right? Okay. Now when it comes to this one, you know, like today I'm going to finish the tutorial questions. Then no, don't worry because I will go to the paper book once I finish these things. Okay, guys? Am I clear to you? Right? මේක ඉවරෙච්ච ගමන් පේපර් පොතේ papers ටික අපි කරමු. මම දැනට ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ term test එකේ support එකට paper පොතේ ටික දාලා තියෙනවා. term test තිබ්බා ඉන්නවද දැන් race එක ගන්න තිබා? පොලේ term test ඉවරයි. commerce ඉවරයි. ඉවරයි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ shape ඉවරයි. right. සමහර අයට තාම තියෙනවනේ. right. So you know primary books, and I have uploaded the tutorial to the LMS, right? Just make sure to take a printout on before this Thursday. And when it comes to the dual impact of transaction, what are the pending? Can you tell me what are the pending things on here? In the tutorial last week, as I can remember, I have discussed section number 5 done, right? Big one done, 2 done, right? 1 done, 2 done, 5 done, right? 1 done, 2 done. Did we discuss 3 and 4, guys? Can you hear me? Did we discuss 3 and 4? I have done the 5th one, right? And did we discuss 3 and 4? I want the answers.
We did the third one.
We did the third one. 1 done, 2 done, 3 done. So the pending things are 4 and 6, correct? Right? So the pending things are 4 and 6, right? Let's start with number 4. Quiz එක කරානේ කට්ටිය. I have already sent you the quiz. Quiz එකේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර වැරදි මට අර එක්කෙනෙක් දාලා තිබ්බා. ඒ වගේ මොන හරි අවුල් තියෙනවා නම් I'll adjust it. ඒ වගේ අහන්න. quiz එක දැනට කරලා තියෙනවා. Let's done the quiz quiz එක කරන්න, but I'll give another quiz. මම මේ quiz එක දුන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ exam එකට පොඩි support එකක් විදියට. Quiz එකයි I it means how many people run the quiz. Right. When it comes to 16 now, very good. Around 16. 16 වගේ කට්ටියක් කරලා තියෙනවා. Right. Right. ඒක පොඩ අමාරුයි මං කිව්වා. Right. ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක් අමාරුයි. Right. Okay. Now let's do the number 4. What do you think? Record the above transactions in the relevant ledger accounts, balance the ledger account. Okay, let's see. So in here, number 4 is section number 4, Tute page 13. Section number 4, Tute page 13. Let's do. Section number 4, Tute page number 13. Right. Let's see. Below are the transactions that occurred in Kusal's business during the month of January. We need to record the transactions in the ledger account and the balance the ledger accounts. Let's draw the ledger accounts, right? You know, I told you before drawing the ledger accounts, you need to write the heading ledger. Write the heading ledger, ledger heading, right? Then the year is known year. Let's take 2025. 2025 year. Then we don't need to repeat the year in the date column. The rupee sign on top. Understand? So you need to have ledger accounts. So when you are drawing the cash account, video බලපුවා අය මම දාපු වීඩියෝ ටික බලපුවා ඉන්නවා දාන්න බලන්න රෙස්සෙන් දැන් මේකට කාලේ වීඩියෝ ටික බලපුවා ඉන්නේ no one nice කියන්නේ මම අර ක්ලාස් වල වීඩියෝ ටික දැම්ම නේද බලපුවා ඉන්නවනම් රෙස්සෙන් දාන්න බලන්න ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකට කලින් no බලපුවා ඉන්නේ can you hear me guys right ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකට කලින් වීඩියෝ ටික බැලුවද am I audible okay up to you I just يعني මම අර වීඩියෝ 7ක් විතර දැම්ම නේද මතකද ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකට කලින් ඒ ටික බලපුවා ඉන්නවනම් රෙස්සෙන් කවුරුත් නැද්ද ඕනේ මේ කීයක්වත් හරි right pay attention to here draw the ledger accounts අර පොත දෙකට මැදින් නවලා නැද්ද හොයාගන්න බලන්න නැද්ද හොයාගෙන first draw the cash account you know date description LF and the value පල්ලෙහාට rule 12ක් විතර තියන්න cash account date description LF and the okay draw the cash account date පළවෙනි එක පොඩ්ඩක් ලොකුවට තියන්න description rule 10ක් 12ක් LF the value date description LF with the cash account write the heading cash account cash account. Right? Okay, guys. Is it clear to you? Can you hear me? Right? Then after that, draw other ledger accounts. Right? ඒකට නම් පල්ලෙහාට රූල් 6ක් වගේ තිබ්බහම ඇති. බැලන්ස් කරන්නත් තියෙන නිසා ලෝභ නැතුව 8ක් විතර තියන්න. මදි වුණොත් නේ බය. Date, description, LF, value. Date, description, LF, the value. අන්නම් copy paste එක තියෙනවා. දවුලන්න. right? okay. ඒ වගේ තව ඒවා ගහන්න බලන්න. 6ක් date, description, LF, value. right? උඩින් ඉඳ තියන්න. right? Date, description, LF, value. right? Date, description, LF, value. Date, description, description, LF, the value. Date, description, LF, the value. ඒ වගේ තව 6ක් විතර ගන්න. ledger accounts එක ගහලා raise hand එකක් දාන්න. 6ක් විතර ගන්න ledger accounts. මදි වුණොත් පස්සේ ගහමු. වැඩි ඕනෙත් නැහැ. Once you have done, raise your hands. I'll wait. Take your time, no hurry. වෙදි ledger accounts ගාන්ට ගහන්න ඕන ටක් ගාලා මං කෝ අර පොත පිටුව දෙකට මැදින්නවල මැද හොයාගෙන රතු රූල තමයි ඒ වගේ debit side එකේ date එක වෙන්නේ. right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, ඔය ledger එකට රූල් කීයක් වුණා වේද?
date එකට දාන්න sorry cash එකට දාන්න ටිකක් වැඩිපුර ඈ 12ක් වගේ අනිත් ඒවට 6ක් වගේ 6ක් 8ක් 6ක් මොකද බැලන්ස් උත් කරන් තියෙන නිසා Once you have done, raise your hands, then we can start. Once you done, raise your hands. I want your raise hands. Ledger accounts tick gala raise hand the lamai. Faster. Pankaran. Hope you are there. Video on karan. Ledger accounts gana logu වෙලාවක් ගන්න බෑ දැන්. Right, okay, hope all done. Shall we start? Okay, let's start from the beginning. Number one, owner invested capital 500,000. Now you know business receive cash. So when cash is an asset account, when cash received, you know, තාම ඔයාලට බැරි වෙන්න බෑ, දැන් පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Cash is an asset type of account. Increase debit, decrease credit. So you know 1st of January 500,000. Cash account debit, capital account credit, right? Capital account credit. You need the other account called capital account. Second one, capital account. Capital 1st of January, cash account 500. Cash account debit, capital account credit. Capital is an equity type of account. I told you every time when owner invest something, we credit to the capital account, right? If the owner invested motor vehicle account debit, capital account credit. Can you hear me, guys? Only two equity accounts are there: capital account and the drawing account. Owner දානේව දාන්නේ capital account එකේ, අරන් යනේව දාන්නේ equity. Right. Okay. Next one. Purchase goods worth of 20,000. You know when this is, there's no information. This is on credit. I told you when we purchase goods, every time we open an account called purchase account. Goods ගද්දි දාන්නේ purchase account. Purchase account is an which kind of account? It is an expense account. හැමතිස්සෙම ගන්නේව expense account එකට debit කරන. ඕනගේ goods drawings විතරයි we credit to the purchase account. Understand? Right? So 20,000. 3rd of January, January 3rd. Let's use the other form. 3rd of January, first date, then the one. Cash account. Why we give cash? Purchase account debit, cash account credit. How much? 20,000. 20,000. Purchase account debit, cash account credit. 3rd of January. Purchase account 20,000. When we purchase goods, purchase account debit, cash account credit. Easy, clear, you guys? Can you hear me? Right? Next one. Brought machinery worth of 25,000. This is not the stocks. You can debit only the stocks to the purchase account. When we purchase a machinery, you need to open another account called machinery account. Open a new account called another account, machinery account. Machinery account. Machinery account. Right? Machinery account is an asset type of account. Increase debit, decrease credit. We purchase a machinery, right? So machinery asset increase. Machinery account debit, cash account credit, right? 5th of January, cash account, cash account, right? 25,000. 5th of January, machinery account. We give cash, right? We give cash to purchase machinery, 25,000. Hope it's clear to you. Send me a thumbs up. Hope it's clear to you. Machinery account debit, cash account. කොහොමද දාගෙන යන්න බාන ඉස්සරහට? Right. Okay. Next one. Sorry. Uh, obtain a bank loan 30,000. So you need to open a new account called bank loan account, right? So you need to open a new account called bank loan account. Hope you can hear me, right? Bank loan account, right? So bank loan is an asset type of account, right? Asset type of account. Sorry, liability type of account. Bank loan is a liability type of account. Increase credit, decrease debit. Obtain a bank loan 30,000, right? 8th of January. 8th of January. Cash account in here. Why when we cash asset also increase, we receive cash 30,000. 30,000, right? So go to the cash account, 8th of January, bank loan account. How much? 30,000. Next one. Cash sales 3,000. You need to have a new account called sales account. කලින් ගැව්වොත් ආයි ගහන්න බෑ. එකම එක ආයි ගහන්න බෑ. Right? Sales account. I told you goods, cash sales and credit sales both are included under sales account. Sales account is an income type of account. So increase credit, decrease debit. Right? Cash sales of goods, how much? 33,000. 10th of January, cash sales account. Right? Sales account. Turn on the videos and wait. 10th of January, here cash account. How much? 3,000. In here, we credit the sales account as cash account. Accounts madinottai gahanna. 10th of January, sales account. 3,000. Okay, do the other things as well. Right. Next one. Broad stocks worth of 7,000 on credit basis, right? When we purchase stocks, we debit the purchase account. I told you, right? So this is the date is 18th of January. 18th of January. But when we purchase the goods on credit basis, the other part we call as creditor, right? You need to open a new account called creditor account, right? 7,000, right? So open a new account called, there is no any creditor account still, creditor account, creditor account, right? So you can draw creditor account. So the date is 18th of January, 18th of January, purchase account, purchase account. The amount is rupees 7,000. 7,000. Can you hear me, guys? I am audible. Hope you can hear me, right? Creditor account is a liability account. Increase credit, decrease debit. Paid shop rent. Paid shop rent. So you need to have a new account called rent account, right? So you need to have a new account called rent account. Madinan tawa gahagan. To have a new account called rent. When we pay rent, it is an expense. Increase debit, decrease credit. Right? So paid shop rent, how much? 10,000, 20th of January. Paid shop rent 10,000, 20th of January. 20th of January. Rent account 10,000. Cash account credit. Rent account debit 20th of January. Cash account 1,000. Right? Owner obtained 5,000 for his personal use. So you need to have a new account called drawings account. I told you when owner withdraw things, we open a new account called drawings account. Drawings account is an equity account, but it is equity decreases account. Hammer tissema, you know, when equity increase credit, decrease credit. When owner withdraw something, we write the debit side of the drawings account, right? Owners, owner obtained 5,000 for personal use. 24th of January. In here, cash account as 5,000, right? Cash account as 5,000 on the debit side of the drawings account. Cash account credit, the date is 24th of January. Drawings account, drawings account 5,000, 5,000. Credit sale of goods 4,000. So you know we have the sales account, but you need to have the debtor account, right? ළමයි වැඩ කරන්න නොකර ඉන්න එපා, right? You have a debtor account. Debtor account is an asset type of account. Increase debit, decrease. Cash sale of credit, sorry, credit sale of goods 4,000. 26th of January. Sales account. How much? 4,000. Debtors account debit, sales account credit. 26th of January, debtor. How much? 4,000. බාන්න හැමතිස්සෙම sales account එකේ මුලින්ම තියෙන මේ cash sales. දෙවෙනියට තියෙන credit sales. Can you hear me guys? I am audible, right? You can have a clear idea about that. Next one. Paid electricity bill 2,000. So you need to have another account called electricity bill account, last account. Electricity bill, electricity account. It is an expense type of account. Expense. Increase debit, decrease credit. Paid electricity bill 2,000. 28th of January. Cash account. How much? 2,000. Twenty-eighth of January. Electricity account 2,000. ලියනවා නේද ළමයි? Hope you are doing right? Okay. මොනාරි මිස් වුණා නම් tell me, then I'll show you all the things have been done. Now it's time for the balancing part. Let's balance the ledger accounts. I want your support. Right? Can you tell me the higher value side? Which side is the higher value side? Debit or credit? Can you hear me guys? I am audible. I'm audible. Hello. Right? Can you tell me the total? Yes. Which side is the higher value side? Debit, right? Seems to be because there are 500,000. Clear you guys? Right? So 533,000. 533,000. Can you take the credit side total, lower value side total? You can see the lower value side total 20,000, 25,000, 10,000, 5,000, 7,000, which means 67, right? Sorry, 20,000, 25,000, 10,000, 5,000, 7,000. So it's 62,000. Am I clear to you guys? Can you hear me? Credit side told 62,000. So 500 higher, we need to deduct from the higher value side total, and the from higher value side total we deduct the lower value side total. So 533,000 minus 62,000, which means 471,000. Month end date 31st of January. I told you balance carried down. Next month first date 1st of February. 1st of February. Balance brought forward. How much? 471,000. Finish the cash account and raise your hands. Then I can go to the other part. Cash account එක ඉවර කරලා raise hand එකක් දාන්න balance එක. මිස් වෙච්ච ඒවා ලියලා balance කරනවා balance කරනවා. Right? All done? Shall I move forward? If you need more time, let me know. Gagana, Hesana, Sastrika, Dumri. I think all done, right? Right. Next things, machine account. දැන් ඉතින් ලේසි මේවා. මේක හැම එකේම එකයි නෙන්නේ. 25,000. දැන් තනියෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. 31st of January balance carried down 25,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 25,000. 30,000. 30,000. 31st of January balance carried down 30,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 30,000. Right? Next one. 7,000. 7,000. 31st of January balance carried down 7,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 7,000. Right? 7,000. 7,000. Lower value side 0. So 7,000 minus 0 means balance carried down 7,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 7,000. 10,000. 10,000. 31st of January balance carried down 10,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 10,000. මේක ඉතින් පොඩි එක්කෙනෙක්ට කිව්වත් දෙපාරක් කියලා දුන්නාම ආයි ආයි කරා. Easy. Right? 5,000. 5,000. 31st of January balance carried down 5,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 5,000. Last two, 4,000. 4,000. 31st of January balance carried down 4,000. 1st of February balance brought forward 4,000. Two thousand. 2,000. 31st of January balance carried down 2,000. 1st of February, balance brought forward 1000. Right? Hope all done, finish it and raise your hand. Finish it and raise your hand. So all good. Jamming in on it. Have you finished? Can you hear me, guys? Right? Okay. Others? Anybody කරන්න බෑ. ලිලි වෙලා raise දැන්. Aisha, Arvind, Gagana, Isana, Sasrika, right? Okay, right? If you need more time, let me know. I'll show you if you miss something. At least send me a message. Right? Then make up it කරන්න තියෙනවානේ. Dual impact එකයි double entries. I think I did the fifth one. I think we did the fifth one. Am I correct? Yes. හරි නේද ළමයි? අපි 6 කරා නේද? Yes or no? Oh, නිදිද? Can you hear me? I'm audible. මාව එන්නේ නැද්ද ළමයි?
Sir, we did the fifth one.
Sixth one done, right? Yeah. Oh. So the last one, sixth. Let's see. The following cash book has been prepared by the account clerks of Senudi's business by including the transaction took place during the month of January 2023. Write the heading. This is now section number 6. Section number 6. Within brackets, Tute page number 14. Tute page number 14. Turn on the videos and wait, huh? Video on කරන් ගැම්මින් ඉන්න. කුයි මතේ ඉන්න එපාලා. රැයට විකුණු මල් වගේ ඉන්නවා. ගැම්මට. Right. So you need to describe the transactions, right? We do it using the chronological order, date order, right? Let's start from the first one. All our cash transactions. In here, there is no any cash credit basis transaction. You can see debit side. January 1st, January, no any January 1st. January 2nd are there. Cash account debit side of the cash account. Where is the credit entry? You can see in debit side description, we write where is the credit entry. Clear you guys, right? The credit entry in the capital account. What is this? Owner invested cash rupees 100,000. February 1st. So January 2nd. Owner invested cash to the business rupees 100,000. Two things to highlight. You need to write about owner invested and the cash. ඒ දෙක ලියවිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ කොහේ හරි නැත්නම් ලකුණු නැහැ. Right. Next one. So you can explain the other things, right? After January 2nd, you can see in debit side, there is nothing. So let's go to the January 5th, cash book credit, credit side of the cash book, where is the debit entry? Purchase account. What is this? Cash purchase of goods, rupees 40,000. 5th of January, cash purchase of goods, cash purchase of goods, rupees 40,000. Rupees 40,000. You need to write cash purchase, main thing you need to highlight. 11th of January, also credit, cash book credit, furniture account debit. So this is not the stocks. Purchase furniture for the business use. Purchase furniture on cash basis for business usage. Rupees 60,000. Purchase furniture, main thing cash basis, business usage. ඔය ටික ලියවිලා තියෙන්න. Then after 11th, now it's 12th. Cash book debit, bank loan account credit. Obtain a bank loan, rupees 30,000. Sorry, cash book debit, sales account credit. So what is this? Not credit sales, this is cash sales, right? Salli එනවා. 12th of January, cash sales of goods. How much? Cash sales of goods is 55,000. Not to mention about cash sales. After 12, you can see it's 16. Cash book credit, electricity bill account, electricity account debit. What is this? Paid electricity bill, paid electricity bill, rupees 16,000, rupees 5,000. You need to mention about paid electricity. 17th of January, date already යන්නේ හොඳේ හැම එකක්. Cash book debit, bank loan account credit. So what is the transaction? Obtain a bank loan, rupees 30,000. Obtain a bank loan, rupees 30,000. Obtain a bank loan, right? After 17, after 23rd, cash book credit, investment account debit. So invested cash, rupees 50,000. Can write. ඒකේ textbook එකේ එකම නෙවෙයි නේද? අනේ පොඩ වෙනස් නේ. නෑනේ. Cash book credit, investment account debit, you can write. 23rd of January, invested cash for cash investment, rupees 50,000. So after 23rd, it's 25th. Cash book debit, investment income account, interest income account debit. So you can write receive investment income. To mention investment income and the receive how much. So this is interest income, right? 10,000. Interest income. Receive interest income rupees 10,000. 28 cash book credit, bank loan interest account debit. 28th of January, paid bank loan interest. This is paid bank loan interest. How much? 3,000. There are 32 things we can write anything. I'll write the debit one first. 30th January. I'll write the debit one first. Debit one. Receive cash from debtors. Cash book debit, debtors account credit 5,000. Receive cash from debtors. Receive cash from debtors. Rupees 5,000. Receive cash from debtors. 30th January cash book credit, creditors account debit. Can write 30th January. 30th January credit side. Paid cash to creditors. Paid cash to creditors how much? 32,000. Paid to creditors. Okay guys. Finish everything and raise your hands. ඔක්කොම පේන්න තියෙනවා. Take your time, no hurry. වෙලා අරන් ලියන්න. Right, I think if you're writing, හරිද? වෙන වැඩ කරන්න එපා ළමයි. වීඩියෝ on කරන් ඉන්න. අපරාධ නිකන් වෙන වැඩ කර කර හිටියොත්. Once you've done, raise your hands as well. Okay, take your time and raise your hands. Gamming in nonya, hope all done. Now all the tutorial questions also done, right? Tutorial ඒවත් ඉවරයි, textbook ඒවත් ඉවරයි, පාඩමත් ඉවරයි, ඔක්කොම කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Can you hear me guys? I'm audible to you, right? Now I'll give you some difficult things. I want the double entries. Easy creative. It's just for your things, right? අපි පොඩි difficult ඒවා ටිකක් ආයෙ ලියමු, right? Double entries ටිකක් එතකොට ඔයාට support එකක් විදියට, right? Right example, right? Example difficult ඒවා ටිකක් මම දෙන්නම්. First one, cash sales of goods rupees 30,000. Number 2, credit sale of goods rupees 45,000, right? Number 3, cash purchase of goods rupees 20,000. Number 4, credit purchase of goods rupees 25,000. Let's write the double in. දැන් පුළුවන් වෙනවනේ cash sales or credit sales උනත් හැමතිස්සෙම sales account තමයි credit entry. Sales account credit 30,000. In here, sales account credit 45,000. But when it comes to cash sales, I told you we debit the cash account. When it comes to credit sales, I told you we debit the debtors. Stocks credit අරන් යන එකට නමක් කියනවා debtors. 45. Right? If it is either cash purchase or credit purchase, right? Cash purchase unat, credit purchase unat, you know, we debit the purchase account. Purchase account debit 20,000. Purchase account debit 25. If it is a cash purchase, you know, we give cash, so cash account credit. If it is a credit purchase, you know, creditor account credit 25. තව තියෙනවා. Is it clear to you guys? මම පොඩි වෙනස් ඒවා ටිකක් දෙන්න. Am I audible to you? Right? Just remember about write the things and raise your hands. Just with a logo all your raise hand. Dila raise hand at done. And others, Sastrika, and another one is there. Then raise your number 5. මේ අමාරු ඒවා ටික දෙන්නේ. අමාරු ඒවා ටික එකට දාලා දෙන්න. Right? Okay. Number 5. Owner's goods drawings. Goods drawings 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Next one. Number 6. Owner's cash drawings rupees 7,000. Number 8. So number 7. Owner paid business electricity bill rupees 9,000. Number 8. Owner paid to business creditors rupees 50. Let's see how we write everything. Goods drawings, you know, drawings account debit. Cash drawings tibbat, I told you, drawings account debit. But when it comes to goods drawings, we credit the purchase account. When it comes to cash drawings, we credit the cash account. When the owner paid business electricity bill, though anyhow paid, electricity expense increase. අවුරු හරි ගෙවලානේ තියෙන්නේ දැන්. ගෙව්වා කියන්නේ decrease නෙමෙයි මං කිව්වා. Electricity expense every time electricity account debit. Then business cash account not the credit because this paid by the owner, by owner. So we concern it as owner's additional capital. මං කිව්වා owner දානේවා තියෙන්නේ capital account එකේ අරන් යනේවා තියෙන්නේ drawings account එකේ. So capital account credit 9. Owner paid to business creditors. Owner යාගේ සල්ලි වලින් තමයි ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ. It is also owners like additional capital. Additional capital කියලා account එකක් නැහැ. Owner දානේවා ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ capital account.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 7th one එකේ capital එක debit the credit.
Sorry.
7th one එකේ capital account එක debit the credit.
Credit. I'll change it. Alright.
Okay.
Right. So capital account credit. Then this owner paid to business creditors. So you know creditor account. කවුරු හරි දැන් creditors වල සල්ලි දීලානේ තියෙන්නේ. So business එකේ creditor liability decrease. So creditor account credit. Right? Write the things and raise your hands. Okay, guys. Now next one, right? Another thing. Hold on. Zumri and Gagana. Video on karang im last part sa number 9. So number 9. Paid owners personal electricity bill rupees 2000. Business එකේ සල්ලි වලින් ඕනගේ දෙයක් ගෙවලා ඕනගේ personal දේවල්, it's not a business thing. Can you hear me, guys? Right? We concern it as a drawing. So drawings account debit. This is not the electricity account debit. Huh? This is drawings account debit. 2000. Cash account credit. Right? Number 10. Number 10. Right? Owner withdrew business motor vehicle rupees 900,000. ඕන business එකේ motor vehicle එක අරන් ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. So how we record? ඕන මොන හරි අරන් ගියොත් we debit the drawings account. ඕන goods අරන් ගියොත් we credit the purchase account. When owner withdrew the motor vehicle asset decrease, so motor vehicle account credit. Number 11. Number 11. Deposit cash in the bank rupees 10,000. Can you tell me how to record? Bank account debit. ඇයි බැංකුවේ සල්ලි වැඩි වෙනවා. Cash account credit. Number 12. දැන් චුට්ටක් අමාරු කරනවා. Receive water bill rupees 9,000. Just only the receive. ගෙවලාද ළමයි? Can you hear me? I'm audible to you. Right? water bill එක හම්බෙලා ගෙවලා නැහැ. ගෙවන්න තියෙනවා ඒ කියන්නේ. water bill එක හම්බුණා ගෙව්වේ නැහැ. අපි ගෙවන්න තියෙනවා. How we recorded, right? ගෙව්වත් නැතත් දැන් මේක motor vehicle water bill expense account debit. water bill account debit ගෙව්වත් නැතත් expense එකම තමයි. ගෙවලා නැහැ. එතකොට payable water bill account මේක grade 11 එකක්. ඔය හිටපු ගමන් term test වල දානවා grade 9. This is a liability account. Understand? water bill එක හම්බුණා ගෙවලා නැහැ. අපි වතුර අරගෙන හැබැයි ගෙවලා නැහැ. වතුර ගත්ත නිසා water bill is an expense. Can you hear me guys? Right? ගෙව්වේ නැති නිසා liability credit. Finish it and raise your hand. Hope all good. Another thing, number 13. Receive electricity bill. ගෙවලා නැහැ. ගෙව්වා cash account credit, electricity bill account debit. Receive electricity bill means rupees 9,000. ගෙව්වා නම් cash account credit, electricity bill account debit. Receive නම් ඒත් electricity bill account debit. 9,000. Payable electricity bill account credit 9. Number 14, I'll give only till up to 50. Number 14. Then paid bank loan installment including rupees 2,000 interest. Interest එකත් එක්ක bank loan එක ගෙවන. Then 2,000 නම් bank loan installment write it as pays rupees bank paid rupees 7,000 bank loan installment. 7,000 2,000 interest එක නා bank loan amount එක 5,000, right? You know, when we are paying bank loan, there's interest portion as well. So bank loan account debit, bank loan එක අඩු වෙන්නේ 5,000 by out of 7,000, 2,000 is the interest. Bank loan account debit 5,000. Bank loan interest account debit 2,000. Cash account credit 7,000. 2 debit entries, 1 credit entry. Last one for the day. Number 15. Stocks. No. Healan. You are the lamai. Hope you have done right. Dividend. 13 liver. 13 dividend. 14 liyan ආයේ කියන්නම්මා. Paid bank loan, paid rupees 7,000 bank loan installment, including rupees 2,000 interest. Paid rupees uh, paid rupees 7,000 bank loan installment, including 2,000 interest. Can you hear me? Right? So what is the double entry? Bank loan account debit 5,000. Bank loan interest account debit 2,000. Bank loan interest account debit 2,000. You know neither, right? Cash account credit 7,000. I'll repeat it again. Paid rupees 7,000 bank loan installment, including 2,000 interest. Bank loan account debit 5,000. Bank loan interest account debit 2,000. Cash account credit, if cash account credit rupees 7,000. Last one, it's number 15. As I can number 15. Stocks damage rupees 2,000. When the stock damage, it is an expense. Stocks damage account debit. ගත්ත stocks තියෙන්නේ purchase account එකේ. Purchase account credit. If the stocks donation also same. Stocks donation expense account debit. Purchase account credit. Same for all, right? Finish it and raise your hands. Right. So let's meet on this Thursday 4 p.m. and I'm going to continue the I'm going to start the primary book lesson. අලුත් පාඩමක් exam තිබ්බත් එන්න මොකද අලුතෙන් පටන් ගන්න. ඒ lesson එක ඊළඟ පාඩම් ඔක්කොටම වැල වගේ යදෙනවා. Can you hear me guys? Right? අනිවාර්යෙන් එන්න මේ ටික පාඩම් කරන්න. then මම ඔක්කොම දීලා තියෙන්නේ. අර අපි පරක් වුණාට මම videos ටිකක් දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? Okay, let's meet on this Thursday 4 p.m. Thank you for the participation. Bye. Night. God bless.
Good night.